Class 10th. Now we have to do the question number 5 of exercise 5.2. So what is question number 5? Question number 5 is find the number of term in which each of the following APs. So we have to find the number of terms in this. Basically n. So what is the AP? 7, 13, 19 and 205. So our A is 7. AN is given to us, that is 205. We have to find D, the A2 minus A1, and then we'll find N by the formula. So start solving. So here first write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is your AN? 205. What is A? 7. D is A2 minus A1, that is 13 minus 7, which will be 6. So now we have to find N. In place of 200 AN we will write 205. In place of A is 7 plus N we have to find, and D is 6. Shift 7 to that side, we will get 205 minus 7 is equals to N minus 1 into 6. When we will subtract it, we will get 8, 9, 1 is equals to N minus 1 into 6. Now 6 here is in multiplication, that side it will go in division. 6 N minus 1 divided, you will get 33. So minus 1 will shift to this side, plus 1. So N is your 34. So number of terms will be 34. Number of terms are 34. Second question, APS 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, and it is up to minus 47. So here again AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Your AN is minus 47, A is 18, D you have to find A2 minus A1, that is, what is your A2? Convert this into improper fraction. 2 15s are 30, 31 upon 2, 31 upon 2 minus 18. Subtracted, you will get 31 minus 36 upon 2, which will be minus 5 upon 2. So your D is minus 5 upon 2. Now keep the values here. Minus 47 is equals to 18 plus N minus 1 into minus 5 upon 2. This is separate one. So shift 18 to this side, you will get 47 minus 18 is equals to N minus 1 into minus 5 upon 2. Solve this, you will get 65 minus 65. 2 here is in denominator, will go in numerator, and 5 in numerator will go in denominator, is equals to N minus 1. Minus minus cancelled, 5 ones are 5, 5 13s are, so this is 26 is equals to N minus 1. So N will be equals to 27 because 1 will go to that side, addition. So the number of terms are 27. Now going to the next question, question number 6. Next question is, check whether minus 150 is the term of AP 11852. We have to check whether 150 is any term or not. So in this, what do? We'll take AN as minus 150 and we'll calculate N. If N is a whole number, then yes, this term will be the term of an AP. But if this N will not be whole number, then this term will not be in AP. So start solving. So the question AP is 11852 and we have to find for minus 150. So here AN is your minus 150, A is 11, D you have to find. What is D? A2 minus A1, that means 8 minus 11, which will be equal to minus 3. Okay, so this will be minus 150 is equals to, because the formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 11 plus n, we have to find whether it is or not, and minus 3. Now so shift 11 to that side, 150 minus 11 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. When you will solve this, you will get minus 161 upon minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. Now we cannot cancel this because this is not the factor of 3. So now shift 1 to that side, 161 plus 1 is equals to n. Take the LCM and solve it. You will get 161 plus 3 upon 3 is equals to n. So n will be equals to 164 upon 3. This will not cancel out. N is in fraction. So we can say that this 150 term will not be there in AP, because for this term, number of term is in fraction and number of terms can never be in fraction. So we will say that minus 150 is not a term of the AP, because n is not whole number for this term. Okay, now next question number 7. Next, 7th question. Find the 31st term of an AP. We have to find the 31st term, A31, whose 11th term is given to us and 16th term is given to us. So start solving. In this, 11th term is given to us, A11, that is 38, and 16th term is given to us, that is 73, and A31st we have to find. How to do this? What do? We'll write the formula of A11 term. What is the formula of an first? Right here, a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So A11 will be equals to a plus, what is n for 11? 11 minus 1 into d. Now what is the value of A11? 38. So write it here, 38 is equals to a plus 11 minus 1 is 10 d. Now similarly we will write for A16. A16 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. Value of A16 is 73 is equals to a plus 15 d. Now you got two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. You can use elimination method, eliminate a. So on subtracting, equation 1 from equation 2. So 73 is equals to a plus 15d. 38 is equals to a plus 10d. Change the signs. Cancelled. When we will subtract this, we will get, this will be 13, this will be 6. 35 is equals to 5d. So from here you will get the value of d, 35 upon 5. Cancel it. D is 7. D will be equals to 7. Now put value of d in equation 1. So what is equation number 1? 38 is equals to a plus 10 into, what is this? 7. Now shift this to this, 38 minus 70 is equals to a. So a will be equals to minus 32. So we get the value of a also, that is minus 32. Now we have to find A31. A31. So for A31, a plus, what is n? 30 31 minus 1 into D. What is the value of A? Minus 32. 31 minus 1 is into D is 7. Minus 32 plus 210. When you will solve, you will get 8, 7, 1. 178. So A 31, 31st term is 178. Okay. Now next question, question number 8. Eighth question. An AP consists of 50 terms, for which third term is given to us and the last term is given to us. Last term means how many total terms are there? 50. That means the last term will be 50. Is 106. Find the 29th term. We have to find the 29th term. Okay, so start solving. What is given to us? Third term and the last term. Last term means 50 because total number of terms are 50. So it is A3 is given to us, that is 12. Total n is given to us, that is 50. So last term, that means A50 is given to us 106. We have to find A29. In a similar way we will do. What is A3? A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That means A3 is equals to A plus 2D. And this will be your equation number 1. And now for A50. A50 is equals to A plus 50 minus 1 into D. A50 is 106 is equals to A plus 49 D. Equation number 2. Again we will solve this elimination method. So on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So you will get, what is A3? Replace this A3 with 12. I am writing here 12 is equals to A plus 2D. So 106 is equals to A plus 49D. The 12 is equals to A plus 2D. Change the signs. Minus and minus. These two cancel. This will be 47D. And here 4 cancel 94. So from here you will get D, that is 94 upon 47. Cancel it, you will get 2. So D is your 2. Now we have to find A. Put value of D. Put value of D in equation 1. So this will be 12 is equals to A plus 2 into 2. So 12, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 4 is equals to A. So from here we will get that A will be equals to 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. We got A, we got D. Now we have to find A29. For A29, A plus 29 minus 1 into D. A is 8. 29 minus 1 is 28 into 2, which will be equals to 8 plus 28 into 2 is 56. Add them. On adding this you will get 64. So A29 is 64. So the 29th term of this AP is 64. Now next question, question number 9. So ninth question is, if the third and the ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8, the third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8, we have to tell which term of the AP is 0. We have to find out which term of the AP is 0. So in this also first we will find A and D. So start solving. In this question, the third term is 4 and which term? Ninth term is minus 8. We have to find out that which term is 0. Right? N we have to find. So now do this. A3 is equals to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A3 is 4. 4 is equals to A plus 2D, equation number 1. Next one is A9 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 in 2D. So A9 is equals to A plus 8D. What is the value of A9? Minus 8 is equals to A plus 8D. Equation number 2. So on subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, 4 is equals to A plus 2D minus 8 is equals to A plus 8D. Change the sign. This will be positive, this negative, negative. These two cancelled. Here it will be 12 is equals to plus minus minus sign of greater number minus 6D. So from here you will get that D is equals to 12 upon minus 6, which means D is equals to minus 2. So the value of D is minus 2. Now put value of D in equation 1. So 4 is equals to A plus 2 into minus 2. A minus 4 is equals to 4. 4 will shift there. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. That means the value of A is 8. From here we got the value of A as 8. Now we have to find out for which value of n An will be 0. Now what is given to us? An is 0. We have to find n. So that means 0 is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, because n we have to find. An is 0. 0 is equals to 8 plus n minus 1 into what is D? Minus 2. 8 will shift to that side. It will become minus 8 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 here is in multiplication. Minus 8 upon minus 2 is equals to n minus 1. Minus minus cancelled. If you will cancel, you will get 4. Minus 1, shift that side, it will become plus 1. 4 plus 1. So the n will be equals to 5. So from here we get to know that for fifth term of the AP, A5 is 0. Okay. In this way we will solve this question. Now going for the next question, that is question number 10. Now the 10th question is the 17th term of the AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. What is given to us? That 17th term is greater than the 10th term by 7. So we have to first form the equation. In this it is given to us that A17 is exceeding the A10 by 7. We have to find the common difference. Now what is A17? A17 is equals to A plus 17 minus 1 into D. That means A plus 16D. A17 is equals to. And what is A10? A10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. That means A plus 9D. Now this is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Putting value of A17 and A10. So what is A17? A plus 16D. What is A10? Minus A plus 9D is equals to 7. Open the bracket and multiply minus to both the terms. A plus 16D minus A plus minus 9D is equals to 7. Here A plus A minus, same coefficient cancelled. 16 minus 9 is 7D is equals to 7. So the D will be equals to 7 upon 7. Cancel, you will get 1. So in this way we have find the common differences So we have done till question number 10. Now we'll do the next question in our next video.